Gentle lace of frost in silence furled, no green to claim the sun, no bloom to yearn, but diamond set where summer used to burn. Secrets glow. The air is thin, a crystal deep and bright, woven through the darkness and the light. Listen close to the breath the mountains keep, while all the frozen earth lies locked in sleep. Magic of winter, a shiny frozen grace. We gaze upon the wonder of this place. From misty peaks where silent shadows dwell, to frozen sky where lonely starlight fell. A mirror rests where sapphire waters float, the lake of glass where hidden secrets glow. Magic of winter, a shiny frozen grace. We gaze upon the wonder of this place. From misty peaks where silent shadows dwell, to frozen sky where lonely starlight fell. A mirror rests where sapphire waters flow, the lake of glass where hidden secrets glow.